Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. The January 2026 Visa Bulletin Update. What to expect. Today is November 21st, 2025, and while the January 2026 Visa Bulletin has not yet been released, it is expected around the second week of December for applicants awaiting green cards in employment-based or family-based categories. Understanding the latest trends can help plan your next steps. Here's a detailed, clear, and practical outlook based on the December 2025 Bulletin and expert predictions. Current status: December 2025 Visa Bulletin highlights. The U.S. Department of State released the December 2025 Visa Bulletin earlier this month. We are now in fiscal year 2026, and the early months show modest forward movement across many categories, a promising sign following slower months in 2025. Key highlights from December 2025 include EB5 investor category, significant advances for India and China, offering hope for those in high-demand categories. Employment-based categories, steady, though generally slow, progress continues across most categories. Family-based categories, gradual forward movement as expected early in the fiscal year. Dates for filing. USCIS allows the use of the dates for a filing chart for both family and employment-based adjustments, enabling more applicants to submit Form I for 85 earlier. Remember, the Visa Bulletin contains two critical charts. Final action dates, when your green card can actually be approved. Dates for filing, when you are eligible to submit your adjustment application in the U.S. Employment-based predictions for January 2026. Based on recent trends, here's what experts anticipate for January 2026. EB1, extraordinary ability, outstanding professors, multinational executives. Most countries likely remain current. China, small advance of 1 to 3 months. India, minimal or no movement due to high demand and backlogs. EB2, advanced degree/exceptional ability. Most countries, progress of 2 to 6 months. India, slow movement, 1 to 3 months at most. China, modest 1 to 4 months forward. EB3, skilled workers and professionals. Philippines, Mexico, and other countries, possible 3 to 8 months forward movement. India, slow 1 to 4 weeks. China, modest gain similar to EB2. EB5 investors. India, advanced to July 1st, 2021, a substantial jump. China, advanced to July 15th, 2016. January 2026 could see further gains of 3 to 12 months, particularly for India and China. Analysts predict 1 to 6 months of progress for most employment-based categories, with EB5 leading the way. No major retrogressions are expected. Family-based predictions. Family-based categories generally move slower, but more predictably. F1, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens, 1 to 3 months forward. F2A, spouses and minor children of permanent residents, likely current or showing large jumps. F2B, unmarried adult children of permanent residents, 2 to 4 months forward. F3, married children of U.S. citizens, 1 to 2 months forward. F4, siblings of U.S. citizens, slowest movement, 1 to 3 months. India, Mexico, and the Philippines tend to lag. Diversity visa and other updates. DV 2026 lottery cutoffs are steadily rising. Winners should check their case numbers. Religious worker categories extended until January 30th, 2026. Practical tips for applicants. Monitor priority dates. Check monthly to track movement. Prepare documents early. Gather medical records, affidavits, and supporting evidence. Seek expert advice. Consider consulting an immigration attorney for personalized guidance. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the official Visa Bulletin when released. Act promptly. If your date is near, be ready to file to avoid delays. The early signs for fiscal year 2026 are encouraging. While some categories, particularly for India and China, remain backlogged, there is measurable forward momentum. Staying informed and prepared can make the green card journey smoother and more predictable. That is all for today in this video. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care